Hello friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry first. Myself, lecturer Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, MPharm in Quality Assurance and lecturer in KK Wagh Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori. Today we are going to deal with identification test. Today's our experiment is identification test, experiment number 23. Title of the experiment: to perform and report identification test on given sample of hydrogen peroxide as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Let's start with learning objective. Intellectual skill: to understand the concept of experiment. Motor skill: to identify the physical property, to observe the solubility in the water and different solvent, to observe the precipitation form in the test solution. So let's start with new concept regarding identification test. First is proposition first, organoleptic description. It involves information related to nature, color, odor and the taste. Then solubility. Statement of the solubilities are indicated by its descriptive term and which are intended to apply at 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Here it is a table that indicates description term and its approximate volume of solvent in ml per gram of the solute. Proposition 3, identification test. These are the tests to verify that the article being examined is in accordance with the label on the container. Failure of an article taken from the label container to meet the requirement of the prescribed identification test indicated that the article may be mislabeled or substituted, and these identification tests are not necessarily sufficient to establish absolute proof of identity. Pharmaceutical category is antiseptic and deodorant. General concept structure: first of all, we have to perform description that involves its nature, color, odor. Then solubility in different solvent, which involves water and other solvent. Then identification test, which are given in Indian Pharmacopoeia, and after that we know that whether the compound or sample complies or does not comply the test as per IP. So let's start with apparatus which are required for the practical: glassware, test tube, graduated pipette and test tube stand. Then chemicals: 95% alcohol, 20 volume hydrogen peroxide, 1 molar sulfuric acid, 0.02 molar potassium permanganate, potassium carbonate and ether. So for the actual practical we move towards laboratory. Welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry Laboratory. Today we are going to deal with identification test. Today's our experiment is to identify the given sample of hydrogen peroxide. This is our experiment number 23. So this is our sample, hydrogen peroxide. Now we have to start with description. This is colorless liquid, clear and odorless liquid. So now let's start with solubility. Check solubility into the water. For that take sample and add water. Shake it vigorously and check the solubility. Given sample freely soluble in water. Now check the solubility in 95% ethanol. Take sample and add ethanol. Shake it properly and then check the solubility. In ethanol it is soluble. Okay, now let's start with identification test. For that we have to take 1 ml of sample. One ml of given sample, then add 0.2 ml of 1 molar sulfuric acid, 0.25 ml of 0.02 molar KMnO4 solution, potassium permanganate solution. On heating, it gives colorless liquid with evolution of gas. The solution becomes colorless. Now, second identification. Take our sample. To this sample, we have to add 2 ml of 1 molar sulfuric acid. This is 2 ml of 1 molar sulfuric acid. Shake it properly and then add 2 ml of ether. This is 2 ml ether. Again shake it properly and now add 0.0 ml of potassium chromate solution. On addition of potassium chromate, the ether layer becomes blue. Now let's start with observation table. First is description, its nature, clear liquid, colorless and odorless. That means it complies the test as per IP. Solubility in water, it is very soluble, and in alcohol it is soluble. That means it complies the test as per IP. Identification test, test A, observation is the solution becomes colorless with evolution of gas. That means it complies the test as per IP. And test B, the ether layer become blue. That means it complies the test as per IP. Result, the given sample of hydrogen peroxide complies the test A and B for identification test as per IP. And reaction, 2 molecule of H2O2, that means hydrogen peroxide gives 2 molecule of water H2O plus O2. Pharmaceutical category is antiseptic and deodorant. Thank you dear student for attending and listening the session. Thank you.